Hello, my lovelies. Have you ever felt like you weren't accepted by your family? Or did you have any sort of abuse or trauma in your childhood or your past? This is a guided meditation for a wounded inner child. It's very powerful and it will help you with healing. So please join me with this. All right, so we can start by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair, a couch, lay on your bed, whatever works for you, as long as you're going to stay awake and alert. So just begin by closing your eyes. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Just allowing yourself to fill your stomach, diaphragm, and chest. And just take a moment to check in with your body. How are we feeling? Where do we carry our tension and our stress? Allow yourself this time to slow down and take stock of yourself. We need to allow ourselves to feel our feelings. Our feelings are guideposts, are indicators that help us navigate through life. Checking in with your feet, your ankles, your legs. Feeling your hips connecting you to the earth, whether it be a chair, a cushion. You're still grounded on the earth. Checking in with your back, your shoulders. Breathe in nice and deep. And just feel your shoulders relax and release with this next exhale. Feel into your abdomen. Maybe try breathing it into your belly for a moment, just feeling it gently rise and fall with each breath. Observing your chest, feeling your heartbeat, and see if you can feel some warmth in your chest. Just feel your heart opening up. Imagine that you're taking a locked door. Take the key, put it in that lock, unlock the door, and just open it up. Good. Now observe your hands, your arms, your head, softening your forehead, softening your eyes and your eyelids, allowing your jaw to relax, even removing the tongue from the roof of your mouth. Good, well done. Now with your eyes closed, we're going to do some imagining because imagination is powerful for healing. We want to feel love within our heart. That's why we unlocked our heart center. And we are going to just imagine ourselves as a child. Get a really good picture of what you looked at. Get a picture of what you looked like in your head. Imagine the color of your hair, the color of your eyes, the shape of your little face. Go back to your very first memory of yourself as a child. And you are going to take that child, that little version of you, and you're going to hold that child in your lap. just have yourself come and sit on your lap, and you're going to hold yourself close as that younger version of you. Hold it close to you and just whisper to yourself, I love you. I accept you. You are safe. You are loved. Everything's going to be all right. And just imagine that you stroke your hair, that little version of you. Maybe you're crying, maybe your inner child is crying. That's fine. Allow yourself to release these emotions. You've been trying to keep it together for a very long time, and it's necessary to fall apart in order to rebuild. You'll be stronger. You have to give that inner child the love that it's always craved. You have to let yourself feel safe as a young one when the adults that were there for you let you down. So just stick with this image for a few more moments, holding that inner child, maybe stroking its back, maybe rocking with it. Whispering sweet nothings. Tell them how much you love them. Tell them that you believe in them. Tell them it's going to be okay. Good. Now we're going to fast forward a little bit. Imagine yourself a little bit older, the teenage version of you. Now, we can hardly imagine a time when we feel less lovable and less loved. There's a lot going on in our bodies, and a lot of times we're pretty terrible to the people around us. So just imagine yourself as a teenager, all the turmoil that you're going through, all the emotions and the struggles. Go up to that teenage version of you. Give them a hug, even though they don't want it. Tell that teenage version of you how much you love them. Tell them it's going to be okay. Tell them you believe in them and that you're going to be there for them. And you know they're going to do the right thing if they could only see you now. Just checking in with your body, checking in with your breath. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Now, we need to feel love and acceptance for ourselves right where we are right now. Because you work hard. You try so hard every day. You show up. You do the things that you need to do. You put your own needs aside. You take care of the people around you. You are incredible. You're amazing. It's time for you to give yourself the love that you've been neglecting, that you've been denying yourself. So wrap your arms around you. Give yourself a hug. Maybe rub your arms. Get that tactile sensation going on. Good job. Now just sit quietly for a moment. Check in with your breath, check in with your body. How are you feeling now? Growth can be painful sometimes, but we have to feel our emotions. We have to feel the sadness, and on the other side of that sadness, and on the other side of the hurt or the pain, once you feel it and accept it and release it, not suppress it, let it go, but we have to feel it. There's a deeper joy on the other side. Now slowly open your eyes. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got your back. I know what it's like going through childhood trauma. I've been there. And the healing can be kind of painful, but it's worth it. Inner work is a journey, and it's something that we need to work on consistently in order to grow as a person. Please follow me for more. Check out my other meditations, my yoga, Pilates, and belly dancing. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let me know how you like this meditation. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.